Hi friends, how are you all? Welcome to Vasu's Veg Kitchen. If you are visiting my channel for first time, please subscribe and press bell icon for new recipe notifications. Today's recipe is healthy, tasty, protein and omega rich flax seeds laddu. As Diwali is around, we prepare many sweet recipes using lots of ghee and sugar. If you are scared to have those sweets like me, then these laddus are perfect for you, as I did not use any sugar or ghee in it. Not only for Diwali, we can have these laddus anytime. Stay connected, we'll share many health benefits of flax seeds. Check out ingredients. Firstly, dry roast groundnuts on low to medium flames till it changes color. Do check out my veggies and dry fruit salad with yogurt dressing recipe to know more information about groundnuts and how they helps to weight loss. Take some groundnuts, rub it with your fingers. If its skin peel out easily, it means they fried perfectly. Now take it into plate and keep it aside to cool. In the same pan, dry roast almonds till it changes color and starts crackling. Almonds provide good energy, it is protein rich and best nut to control your hunger pangs. When almonds starts crackling, take it into another plate. In the same pan, dry roast oats till it changes color and becomes crisp. Oats gives good chewy taste to laddu. As oats contains good soluble fiber, it is best for weight loss. It controls blood pressure and also good for diabetic people. Take a fried oats in a plate. Now add sesame seeds in the same pan. Fry till it changes color. Sesame seeds provide good source to increase bone strength. Having sesame seeds regularly is good for our health. So try to add sesame seeds in your diet regularly. Take this in a plate and add dry coconut pieces. Fry till it changes color and take it into plate. Adding dry coconut gives good taste and texture to laddus. Use good quality dry coconut to increase the laddu's shell life. Peel out groundnut skin when it cools to room temperature and keep it aside. Now dry roast 1 cup of flax seeds in the same pan on low flames till it changes color and becomes crisp. Can you see how flax seeds are dancing on pan? Fry well till it becomes crisp so that it gives good nutty taste to laddus. There are many health benefits of flax seeds, so do add flax seeds in your diet regularly. It is protein and omega rich, good for skin and hair. It strengthens immunity system. It controls cholesterol levels. It is gluten free. It contains high fiber, so it helps for weight loss. Let all the ingredients cool to room temperature. If you want laddu texture smooth, then grind everything smoothly. If you want laddu texture nutty, then grind it separately as shown. To get a nutty texture, grind everything coarsely other than flax seeds and take it into white bowl. If you want to check this recipe with step-by-step pics and tips and other related sweet recipes, then visit our blog vasusvegkitchen.blogspot.com. Later, take flax seeds and grind it coarsely and take it into same bowl and mix everything well. This gives good nutty taste while eating every bite of laddu. Surely you will enjoy these laddus, don't miss trying it. Take 1½ cup of jaggery in a saucepan. To this add 1/4 cup of water. Cook it on low flames till jaggery dissolves well. Now using strainer, strain melted jaggery in a wide pan. This step is important to remove impurities in jaggery. If you are using pure organic jaggery, then skip this step. Wash the ladle in water which you use to remove impurities. Now add 1 to 1/2 teaspoon of cardamom powder and mix everything well. Cook jaggery syrup on low flames till you get 1 string consistency as shown. Now immediately add prepared flax seeds powder in it and mix everything well. Here you have to move your hands quickly to mix the mixture, otherwise it will become hard and you cannot mold the laddus. Important point to remember is you have to cook jaggery on low flames till you get 1 string consistency. Do not overcook jaggery syrup, it will burn and will become hard. Mix everything well till it separates from the pan. Now switch off the flames and keep pan aside. Now mix everything well once again so that jaggery and flax seeds mixture combine properly. Now take flax seeds and jaggery mixture in a wide bowl. Let it cool for some time. Do not cool the mixture for long time. Just you have to cool it for few minutes so that you can handle to mold the laddus. If the mixture comes to room temperature, you cannot mold the laddus properly, and also it will become very hard. Pinch some mixture and start molding laddus as shown in the video. Here I am not using any ghee as it contains natural oil, as we use dry coconut, groundnut, sesame seeds. If you want, you can also add some ghee in it. Many of us feel their laddus are becoming flat after molding. I will tell you why. We will start molding laddus when the mixture is hot, right? As jaggery syrup is hot too, it starts melting in some point. So the laddu becomes flat. After molding all the laddus, you once again mold the laddus by giving good shape. Then the laddu shape will be round forever till it completes. As said previously, you can prepare this laddu smoothly or coarsely as per your wish. I personally like the coarse texture of this laddu. These laddus are perfect for this winter season because of the sesame seeds and other ingredients added in it. Not only for weight loss, these laddus are perfect to stay healthy. Hope you liked this flax seeds laddu. Enjoy these guilt-free and healthy laddus with your friends and family. Do not forget to subscribe our channel, like, share, comment, and also follow us on social media too. Thank you.